This is what realistic trading looks like. You will be seeing my wins, my losses, and my thought processes throughout the week. I made a few mistakes this week. I was a bit greedy, and there's a lot I could have learned from just reviewing and watching over these trades again. So I hope this is educational. Make sure you guys follow the Instagram and enjoy. I have just entered into an AU supply, and it does look pretty good. It is a 5+1 minutes, and I'm going to do a little bit of a breakdown right now. So the 1 minute supply is over these candles over here, and then if we go to the 5 minute, we can also see, looks a little bit messy, but we can also see that it is a 5 minute supply. So we just got entry on the 1 minute. It actually did happen a few minutes ago, but I was just waiting for it a bit, and let's see how this plays out. We are inside of a demand, but I don't see this holding. But you know what, if we end up reversing, I think I know exactly why. I don't see that we are going to reverse from this, but if it does happen, like, I can't predict what's actually going to happen. If we do reverse, I do know why, but I don't really believe that we are going to hold on this. We might get a little bit of a pullback, but then overall we might just continue down. So we are at the 1 to 2 take profit, but I am trying to hold a little bit longer because there is a very nice level of liquidity right below, and I do want to just try and grab that liquidity. That's where my take profit is at. So stops are also at break even. So this is just a risk-free trade right now. And I think there we go. I am going to close out there. And I just knew that was going to end up happening. Like, I was just patient on it. I'm happy. Like, I think it's probably going to reject from like a support right now. So I'm not willing to just stay. And I'm completely happy with where I got out. It could just completely blast through. But you know what? I'm cool. Yeah, there we go. Maybe should have held for that complete like extra $1 or $2, whatever it should have been. But I am completely happy with that. Friday the 20th of September was a no trade day for me. There was not really any volume and there was nothing valid for me to take, so just a no trade day. On Monday the 23rd of September, I was out for the day, so I was not able to get a proper recording of this trade that I took, but we did take a win on Monday, and I ended up taking an AU demand very late in the day, but it did end up playing out. I took it off my phone, so risk management was also just a little bit low or weird. I risked very little compared to how I usually like risk. I risk like $5 a trade. This one I risked like $3, so I didn't make too much off of this trade. But let me just show you guys, it was just a regular demand, and we took it for like I wanted to. So we only made like $5 profit off the commission on this trade, but you know what, it is what it is. It's still a win. Very valid setup. We had to break a structure, broke this high right over here, and then you can just see we are just very bullish above the 200 EMA, and everything worked out perfectly. So this was the second trade on Monday. There we go. I have just entered into GU demand on the 1 minute. It is a 5 minute zone as well, so let's see how this does end up playing out. I believe there's a very nice reaction on the 5 minute right now outside of the demand. which looks very, 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 very good. And we're just going to look for our 1 to 2 off of the 1 minute. I did just close out of that before it is about to hit my stop loss. That's pretty unlucky. I did actually think the setup would end up holding and be a pretty good winner, but just does not look like it. Wednesdays are a no trade day for me. For anyone who knows me, who's been following the Instagram, who's been in the Discord, knows I just don't trade Wednesdays. I have my own reasons for that. So we are going to add Monday to the week. So I have just entered into a GU 1 minute demand, and the momentum does look like it is picking up now. And let's see if we can just get our TP. Our first target is about to get hit, and then I am holding, or going to try and hold to a supply that is a very much counter trend supply, but I am trying to hold to it, which is the second TP up here. So that first TP is about to get hit. There we go, first TP hits, and then I'm just looking to see if we can get a little bit more momentum. And okay, there we go. I'm gonna close it right there, and I am done for the day. There we go, we did just get break of candle on GU, and let's see what we can try and take this to. I did get a little bit of a late entry because a break of candle happened really quick, but let's see how this trade plays out. I do actually really like this quite a bit. This does look like a really good setup. I'm gonna be low-key a little bit annoyed if it ends up losing. Like the momentum's not really there, but the rejection from the zone is like beautiful. The momentum we had at the beginning looked pretty good, but this will be a crazy win though. Yeah, that looks like, I don't know, that momentum came out of nowhere. This looks like it might be it. And there we go. I did just get stopped out of that, but is what it is, man. Monday the 30th of September was also just another no trade day, and I said I would have added Monday, but we didn't get a trade on Monday, so I am adding Tuesday as the 7th trade. So Monday is the 6th day of trading, and we just got a no trade there. I have just entered into an AU demand, and the momentum is not looking too bad at the moment, but let's see how it ends up playing out. My TP was up at these highs here, but if I go on to the 5 minute, we have another level of liquidity right here with a fat gap here, which could get filled, and we're in a 5 minute demand. So it does make a lot more sense to just have my TP at these highs here. It would make even more sense to hold and fill this gap in, but I'm not too sure about that. The momentum does look really good. Like, this is just a 5 minute demand inside a 5 minute, and then there's a 1 minute inside. So this is looking really good. It looks like it could be a reversal on the day. Like, we've been bearish for quite a bit, so now we're getting a reversal to the upside. So that's why I am just contemplating if I should just try end up holding this. I have just closed at break even. I don't like the momentum, and yeah, that momentum's scaring me quite a bit. So it was a winning trade. It hit the 1 to 2 TP. After reviewing this trade, I definitely should have closed at this 1 to 2. You can see we had a liquidity grab right here, so I definitely should have closed. I'm pretty sure it was also on the 5 minute as well. And we are bearish overall. You can see that we are slowly breaking structure to the downside. So this was just pretty much a counter trend trade. But on the 1 minute, obviously we are like just above the 200 EMA, so it was valid. But the 1 to 2 should have just been the final TP, which just got hit, and then it reversed and ended up losing. But I do hope this video was educational to some of you. I hope it helps some of you just learn about my strategy. I do have a couple of videos on my YouTube about the 1 minute strategy, and you can join up the Discord. Follow my Instagram, that's the most important one. Follow up the Instagram. I do post about my trades and stuff, psychology tips, and all kinds of stuff like that on the Instagram, and I'll put it up right now. That's all I got in this video. Make sure you guys keep grinding, keep getting to the next level, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.